Hello everyone, in this video we will integrate a very usual quadratic formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We want to integrate it with respect to a, so how do we go about it? This equal to integral of, by laws of additivity we can write this as minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a dA. This equal to, we can also rewrite this integral as integral of minus b over 2a dA plus or minus integral of square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a dA. Let's now integrate it one by one. Let's call this I1 and this I2. Considering this guy first, I1 is equal to integral of minus b over 2a dA. This equal to, you will notice that the constant here is minus b over 2. We can factor it out. So we have minus b over 2 integral of 1 over a dA. Now, recall that whenever we have integral of 1 over x ds, this is equal to ln of absolute value of x. Now, if we apply this property to this guy, we are going to have I1 equal to minus b over 2 times ln of absolute value of a. So take note of this I1. Now let us consider I2. I2 is equal to integral of square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a dA. This integral is a bit complex, but it's very pretty easy to solve. Let's suppose u is equal to square root of b squared minus 4ac. This means that if we square both sides, we have u squared equal to b squared minus 4ac. This means that 4ac is equal to b squared minus u squared. Now, let's divide both sides by 4c. Doing that, we have a equal to b squared minus u squared over 4c. Take note of this. A is equal to, we can write this right hand side as b squared over 4c minus u squared over 4c. The next thing is to differentiate both sides. So this becomes dA. dA equal to b squared over 4c is a constant. If you differentiate a constant, we have 0 minus, the only variable here is u and the constant is 4c. So the constant will remain. Differentiating u squared, we have 2u over 4c. This means that dA is equal to minus 2 here 1, 2 in 4, that is 2. So we are left with u over 2c. Take note of this. Let's proceed further. Now, from I2 is equal to, let me show you where we have I2. I subscript 2. This is our I2 is equals to integral of square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a dA. We will now perform substitution here. Square root of b squared minus 4ac is simply u over 2 times a. We already know the value of a. Our a is b squared minus u squared over 4c. And dA is what we have here. So let's do that substitution. So I2 is equals to integral of, what is square root of b squared minus 4ac? That is u. So we have u over 2a. So that will be 2 into this. So we have 2 into b squared minus u squared over 4c times, the next thing is dA. We already know what dA is. dA is minus u over 2c. We have minus u over 2c. Oh, sorry. This should be du. Since we are differentiating u squared, u is a variable. That should be minus 2u du. This place 2 is du. U is a variable. So we have du here. This means that I2 is equal to integral of u times minus u, that is minus u square, over 2 times 2c, that is 4c, into b square minus u square over 4c du. This means that I2 is equal to, clearly, 4c cancels 4c, we are left with integral of minus u square over b square minus u square du. So I2 is equal to integral of, if we impose this minus sign at the denominator, we simply have u square over u square minus b square du. That is the order we change. Let's proceed further. Now let us integrate this. To make it easier, we can add and subtract b squared to this numerator. So that will be I2 equal to integral of u square minus b square plus b square divided by u square minus b square du. Let's proceed further. I2 is equal to integral of this whole guy could be written as u square minus b square over u square minus b square plus b square over u square minus b square du. I2 is equal to integral of u square minus b square over u square minus b square du plus integral of b square over u square minus b square du. This means that I2 is equal to, clearly, these two guys cancel each other. We are left with integral of 1 du plus integral of b square over u square minus b square du. I2 is equal to, what is integral of 1 with respect to u? That is u plus integral of, we can factor out b square is a constant. So we have b square times integral of 1 over u square minus b square du. Let's proceed further. At this stage, let's recall some interesting property of integral. Recall that the integral of 1 over u square plus b square with respect to u is equal to 1 over b times inverse tangent of u over b. Don't forget to add the constant of integration plus k. K is the constant of integration. Similarly, you will see that at the denominator here, the sign is negative, so the structure is quite similar. So integral of 1 over u square minus b square du will be equals to minus 1 over b tan inverse hyperbolic tangent of u over b plus k. Take note of these two. Now, back to this I2. I2 is equal to u plus b square. Applying this second property to this, we have minus 1 over b inverse hyperbolic tangent of u over b, close the bracket. This means that I2 is equal to u here. This b takes care of this power. We are left with plus b times minus 1, which is minus b inverse hyperbolic tangent of u over b. Let's proceed further. But since u is equal to square root of b square minus 4ac, let me show you where we got this from. It's basically from this line. Let's proceed further. This means that I2 is equal to, whenever we see u, we just input this square root of b square minus 4ac minus b times inverse hyperbolic tangent of u now is this square root of b square minus 4ac over b, close the bracket. This is our I2. Therefore, I1 plus I2 is equal to, that is the first integration, I1. Let me show you. It happens to be minus b over 2 times ln of absolute value of a. So we have minus b over 2 times ln absolute value of a plus the I2 is all of this square root of b square minus 4ac minus b times inverse hyperbolic tangent of this square root of b square minus 4ac over b plus constant of integration. That is, when we integrate the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a dA, this equal to all of this right hand side minus b over 2 times ln of absolute value of a plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus b times inverse of hyperbolic tangent of square root of b square minus 4ac over b plus constant of integration k. This is the required solution. That's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please share your tips. Please tell me if this video was helpful and subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you in my other videos as well. Have a good one.